I think this is the best way to get one in cash without using your Philippine debit or credit card when you travel to South Korea. Nakasurvive ako sa Korea na puro 1k peso bill lang dala by getting this WOWPASS card. Insert mo lang yung 1k peso bill mo sa machine, then ayun, converted na into Korean won. Pwede ka rin mag-withdraw ng cash pero may 1,000 won na charge. Di na masama, so lakyan mo na yung pag-withdraw. This card is acting as your Korean debit or credit card since most of the time ang payment method here is by card na. So to avoid extra charges by using your Philippine cards, you should get this para makatipid. Pwede mo rin matrack yung expenses mo. Download mo lang yung WOWPASS app, then connect mo yung card. And may T-Money feature na rin tong card, so no need na bumili ng separate. Once nakapag-withdraw ka na, hanap ka ng T-Money machine para makapag-reload. Since hindi mo ito ma-reloadan using WOWPASS machine. And kung ayaw mo maniwala, edi check mo sa YouTube or sa ads ng card na to. So, paano makakuha? Mayroon sa Klook or sa RX Terminal Incheon Airport sa mga kiosk. To get discount, sa Klook na lang. So, I think makakalas ka ng 50 pesos.